So this is a much more targeted approach. So when you grab the device, you will use this on a cleansed skin, find your breakout, and just to make it really difficult for everyone else in the studio, can we turn the lights off? Okay. God, we do look a bit ominous on the screen. Okay, so Jen, we both have a breakout on our right cheek. Okay, chin.
I do,
right
I actually do.
Okay, so hopefully, close up, you can see the red crisscross.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Yes, you can. Okay.
I can feel
Are you ready?
mine now.
So, espada, bit of a background story. This is sword in Spanish. Correct me if I'm wrong. Put down in the comments. Okay, so nice and close up. Check these paws out. Thank you, Luna. We're going to then attach it. Here we go. So this is going to take me on a little journey of 30 seconds, building me slightly further up. Think... I was going to say Hills of Eyes. No, it's not. Sound of Music. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti.
That's right.
Da thing. It's building up slowly with the T-sonic pulsations. So in a real term, you're watching this. I don't know if you can hear it with the microphone, but what does it feel like for you?
So it's starting off slow, and then it gets a bit faster, more powerful, more intense.
Okay. The reason
it's working.
Yeah, and that's actually quite reassuring. There is a bit of a tech, which is always going to be my bit to add in. The fact that they use T-sonic with this, it's not for the cleansing side. It's actually to make it much more receptive to treatment. So it's stimulating the blood flow, oxygenation of the surrounding area. Because it's targeted, it's literally a lightsaber to the skin. We're not talking about all over treatment. We're talking specific, pinpointed. I have a breakout, I have a pimple, I'm feeling one come on. This is something that you can use like that. What's your day-to-day usage with it? How often would you use it if you get breakouts?
I mean, it depends, but I can do this up to 10 times in a row sometimes. I'll just sit there, Netflix and Espada, but 1 or 2 times I already know the benefits are there. The next day I can feel the pimples gone down, much more, less inflamed, a bit more reduced.
Okay, so I've heard Netflix and chill. I've had that with a text invite, but never Netflix and Espada.
That's the new thing.
And everyone watching live now, of course, we want to know what your accompaniment to Netflix would be. Is it Netflix and Espada? What are you already used to? What's the device that you would be using in front of the screen? Obviously, we have the great everyone in team, but yeah, we're choosing this. We're going to talk about Espada because, like I said, it's not given as much love. This is really for targeted treatment, and I think it's super, super important for everyone to understand how you can actually use these devices together because, this is targeted, but you can use it with everything. The perfect routine for Espada would be begin with Luna. Cool. So cleanse the skin really nice and deeply. Get the skin perfect so there's nothing on the surface layer blocking this technology to the skin. Then next would be...
I mean, I do it both. Sometimes I'll go Luna 3, Espada, then UFO 2, but then always Espada again. So this is something I'm using all the time.
And that's the benefit of using the mask, because they're non-comedogenic and they're non-pore blocking. You can then go over that ingredient again. And even through the day, even through makeup, yes, it won't be as effective, but definitely do it morning and night. Think Christina Milian, AM to PM. On bare skin, that's a microcurrent pun with FOREO, but of course, use the device. It's super nice and easy. You choose your favorite color. We have the pale pink, cobalt blue, and fuchsia. Jen's is obviously the pale pink, nice and princessy.
Match my whole
aesthetic.
Range.
Your pink fantasy. And then we have these devices. This will last up to 100 uses per charge. You can keep them for years. I've had my cobalt blue one since 2007. No. I've had my blue one since 2019.
They last forever.
Yes. Look after it. The benefit with this also, again, the geeky side, get the glasses on, it has the medical grade silicone. On the top of the device, it has the medical grade silicone. What this means is if I have a few spots and breakouts on my skin, they're not as confident by themselves. They like to have the big group, the gang, so they are all over my skin.
They appear everywhere.
Yeah, they pop up like moles. They pop up. So the benefit with this is the fact that this isn't going to be spreading that bacteria all over my face. And also, glass. So
I know when my friends have come over and they'll have a few pimples, the best thing is that I'm not, if they want, okay, we want a pamper night.
Yes.
Spa at home
Sleep over.
vibes. The best thing is that it's this hands-free facial. So I can wash it in warm water, same as all of the devices really. They're silicone, hygienic, warm water, soap, and then I'm going in, giving my friend a facial, super hygienic.
And you're not touching their skin. You
Yeah.
can share it. And that's really the things with you watching live, you actually will do that. You will have that with friends. There is going to be someone at home, you know, each household needs an espada, and that can treat everybody under that same roof. As long as they've cleansed the device, fully waterproof, like you expertly said. So if you invite your friends, you say, should we Netflix and espada?
Next.
They'll come around, obviously, with restrictions, you know, allowed. They will come around and they're all able to do it. And the fact that it uses the glass instead of plastic means that it's much less able to hold on to the bacteria, making it much, much more of a professional and hygienic experience, which, you know, we're fun, we're colorful, we're FOREO, but also we still need to bring the goods and we still need to be looking after your skin on that level. So the blue light and T-sonic pulsations are there for a reason. Blue light is something that we used to in salon anyway, but the T-sonic pulsations is something that FOREO is famous for. This is going to be making that area much more receptive and allow the treatment to really be focused. So within that little triangle of treatment, you're getting exactly the power that you need to attack that acne-causing bacteria and also just give you the results that you need and want.